Hey guys, welcome back. So today is the night before my pop-up event. I have one tomorrow morning. I'm so excited, and I thought I would share with you guys some of the new products that I'm adding. It's a brand new collection. It's type of products that I've never sold before, and I got all of them from Faire. So originally I wanted to do an unboxing, but I waited too long that day, and all of a sudden it was sunset and the lighting was horrible, and then my friends were showing up, so I failed. But I thought I would just share with you guys the products regardless, and I'm just so excited. I think it's going to be a really great pop-up event. I'm really excited to add a new collection, but I'm also very nervous. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I've got. So first up, I have a cake stand. So the cake stand, I think it's adorable. It's like kind of pink and got this like, I don't know if it's like a yellowy orangey tint on top. And what I'm planning to do is actually have my freebie on top of this cake stand. So I've decided that I'm going to offer free flower cookies with purchase, and the flower cookies are really cute too. And if I had one word to describe this entire collection, I would probably call it like a garden party collection. I'm actually calling it You Are the Hostess, but like this particular collection within the You Are the Hostess collection would be the garden party. So you're gonna notice that I have a lot of colorful products, and flower cookies are just totally on brand. So next up I have these cute candlestick holders, and I made the mistake of not buying candles to sell, but I do have some candles that I already own. So I'm gonna have them displayed nicely. I'm gonna actually have the whole table set up as like a dinner party. I'm gonna try to make it kind of more of a shopper experience as opposed to just a table with products. And I can talk a little bit more about that, but you'll probably have to wait for part 2 where I actually share the pop-up. But anyway, so I think these are gonna be super cute. I do wish I had bought candles, but I didn't think about it. So, oh well. Next up, I wanna share with you guys these really cute cocktail glasses, and I need to be so careful with these and not break them the day before the event. But part of why I picked these out and then the other coupe glasses is because they come with this really cute box, which I was thinking would be great for selling at a pop-up event. If it already has a super nice box, it'd be easier to just give them the box when they purchase it, as opposed to trying to like wrap them up and make sure they're not gonna break when the shopper walks away. And on top of that, they have really cute packaging. So let me pull one out. Be very careful not to break it. But I think this is a super cute coupe. Or this one's not a coupe. This is just I could see this as like I think they marketed it as like a tequila or cocktail glass. Now this one also has a very cute box. It is pink. And this one actually comes with a set of 4, so that's why it's so much bigger. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. Again, be very careful. So this also has super cute packaging. And if I pull one out, you'll see it's pink with a gold rim, or not a gold rim. The other one has a gold rim. This one is pink with a gold stem and base. And I think it's adorable. Okay, it's happening again. The sun is setting and the lighting is changing. So I'm gonna do this quickly. So next up I have these little cocktail kits, and I'm actually going to use them to demonstrate I'm gonna have like a little demo, and it's gonna be a kind of a freebie shopper experience where I'm going to use these really cute disposable cocktail glasses, and I'm going to have one of these cocktail kits out, and I'm going to demonstrate how you would actually make your drink. And I have sparkling waters to give to my shoppers, and with this, I think it's another adorable gift. I think this would be like the perfect item to gift to a hostess because of the packaging. It's like, you know, in this great container, and it's got a ribbon. So I just think it's really cute to bring to someone who's hosting you. But the shopper could keep it for themselves, obviously. So we'll see how this goes. I'm kind of nervous, about how it's gonna play out, but it's gonna be part of my focus for my whole like making my vendor booth into an experience. If you saw my video from last year, I did a pop-up event last year where there were 2 vendors who were the most popular vendors at the event, and they had booths that were kind of more of an experience. I can link to it down below. They were accessories basically, charm bar and permanent jewelry. So I always recommend if you can get creative and find a way to make your pop-up booth an experience for your shoppers, I feel like that'll really help to draw people in and get people excited to check out your products. Alright, so I also have another gift item that I think would be adorable to give to a hostess, and that is this little cute cutting board or charcuterie board. And I will admit that when I purchased this, I thought it would be bigger, but this has been an issue that I've had with myself ordering products over the years, where I don't pay close enough attention to the dimensions or the size or just the details of the products I'm ordering. So I need to get better at that. But either way, it comes with a set of 3 and it's got this adorable bow. So I think that despite the size, it would be a totally cute gift to give to a hostess or host. And then I also have some cheese knives, but I did not remember to pull those out, so I'll show a picture of them. And then I'm also hoping, fingers crossed, to have a tablecloth for sale. It's not going to be the tablecloth that you see right now. This is my backup tablecloth. So basically, my tablecloth that I've ordered is supposed to arrive today, but right now it is 5:43 and it's not here yet. So fingers crossed that it gets here in time, because it is so cute and it matches my sign and my backdrop and just everything so perfectly, and it's gonna be the cutest setup if I can just get all of this right. So I really hope it arrives on time. I literally messaged the vendor on Faire and I was like, please, 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 like I really want this tablecloth for my event. Can you please ship it by Friday? And they said they do their best, and they did ship it. It says expected delivery Friday, but we'll see if it arrives in the next couple hours. And with that, so you'll definitely have to check out part 2 to see the actual pop-up event and how it all turns out. Like I said, I'm super nervous because this is the first time I'm ever doing hosting or home decor or home essentials. And I've never done a table setup, so those of you who have been following me for a long time know that I primarily focus on clothing. So this time I am bringing 2 clothing racks. Normally I bring 4 or 5, so it's gonna be a change. I have to figure out the layout. I hope everything works out okay. My layout size is 7 by 7, so it's not a very big space, so I have to fit it all in. I think this table is 6 feet, so it's literally just a foot longer than this table. And I'm gonna fit in the 2 clothing racks. I'm gonna have stools to help make the shopper experience, or I don't know. You'll just have to wait and see. But I'm so nervous that it might not turn out well. It might be a total flop. But I'm kind of in the experimentation phase. I'm trying new things with my store and figure out what works. And I feel like that's all you can do when you're a small business owner. I mean, that's what it's all about, I guess. Let me know if there's anything that you guys are experimenting with. Super curious. I love hearing about like what people try at vendor events and what works, what doesn't. I think it's fun to talk about that kind of stuff. And if you do want to share, I do have a Facebook group where we kind of have discussions like that. So I'll link to it down below if you want to join the Facebook group. Also, if you're not new to the channel, then I want to let you know that I am creating an app that's going to make it so much easier for you as a vendor to find pop-up events. And it's also going to help event organizers reach out to you, find you as a vendor, and invite you to their events. And you're going to be able to read reviews about those events. If the event organizer has held events in the past, you'll be able to read their reviews and know whether you're a good fit, whether it's worth your time, or maybe not the best return of investment for that particular event. So join the waitlist to find out when it's going to launch. I'm going to have a very big app launch party, which I'm so excited about. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video at the pop-up event. Wish me luck. Fingers crossed I don't screw up.